Imagine a meme coin so hyped that it's got a cult-like community, a congressman buying bags, and also a potential Coinbase listing. Oh, and it's wearing a ski mask. Today, we're going deep on Ski Mask Dog, the base chain's most notorious pup. And if this was a Netflix show, it'd be called Breaking Base. So what even is Ski Mask Dog? So Ski was launched on the Base chain, and it's a meme coin that brands itself as the real dog on Base. And the ski mask stands for a symbol of freedom, expression, privacy, resistance against surveillance, and manipulation. This is 100% community owned. There's zero buy and sell tax, 1 billion supply, the liquidity is burnt, and the contract is renounced, with a community motto of the mask stays on. The token has amassed a massive amount of holders, over 328,000 holders, which is quite a massive amount. Next, let's talk about the Coinbase app Tease. So Coinbase just casually dropped Ski in their new video like it's no big thing. They're releasing the new Base app, and this app is showing a tease of Ski being on there. If you look at the 16-second mark, Ski is visible in the asset list. And seeing Ski in this Coinbase app is like spotting Waldo, except in this case, Waldo might make you rich. Could this mean an imminent Coinbase listing? Many are believing so. Remember, a listing here is instant access to millions of Coinbase users and a potential massive amount of money into the coin. Next, let's talk about the cult and the Congressman. So Ski has been one of the most active raid communities on X. Posts mentioning Ski get swarmed instantly, and it's got some major influencer backing, one of the biggest being Brian Jung. Brian Jung is one of the most influential creators in the space with over 2 million YouTube subscribers, and he constantly mentions this coin. We're constantly seeing clip after clip and video after video of him mentioning Ski Mask Dog and the potential that it has. And if that wasn't news enough, Congressman Mike Collins, and soon to be senator, is reportedly openly buying $10,000 chunks of this coin. So you can forget donkeys or elephants. The new political party is a dog with a mask on. So let's talk a little bit about the price history and the potential. So Ski costs much less than your daily latte, but with a very high potential for a nice caffeine kick in your portfolio. So the current price of Ski is sitting about 6 cents right now at the time of recording. It has been ranging on these 5-cent lows for a while, so it's not too far off from the lows. And the all-time high on this coin was 32 cents. 32 cents, of course, being about a 5x from here, over a 5x. The market cap then was over 300 million. It's sitting at about 60 million right now. And if we retest that all-time high, that is about a 5x from the current level. And comparing that with some of the top memes on Base, which do sit about at a $500 to $600 million market cap, that is a 10x level from where we're currently at. And of course, a moonshot from here to about a billion or more is a 20x plus. And this is not financial advice, but if Ski does pull a 20x, well, I'm going to be buying a Lambo with a ski rack and a ski mask on. Let's touch up a little bit on the risk and the ride. So yes, it still is a meme coin, so the volatility can be extreme. The listing hype could cause a sell the news event soon. The smart approach, don't go all in, manage your position size. But with the narrative, the cult-like community, potential Coinbase news, and everything else going for this coin, it could have some very nice potential in the near future. So Ski could 20x, or it could nuke 80% while you're in the shower. But that's the fun, and my bet is on the former. That's the deep dive on Ski Mask Dog, the cult meme coin with political clout, and just possibly the next big Coinbase listing. If you're in, may the mask stay on. And if you're out, at least you now understand why everybody's barking with ski masks on. Drop a comment below. Will Ski hit 1 billion this cycle? And if you did get some value from this, please smash that like and subscribe below, like it's the sell button when Ski's at $5. And most importantly, remember, the mask stays on.